Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can receive money on Xoom. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm going to guide you through the options, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. First thing is you can receive the money directly to your bank account. You can also receive it on your mobile wallet, and you can also do the cash pickup and have the option of home delivery and claiming money. So now how you're going to do it: when your sender is sending you the money, make sure they have chosen the bank account itself. If they have chosen, then you're simply going to go ahead, open up your bank itself, and then your money will be there. You have received it. That's how you will get the money. Next thing is mobile wallet. If your sender has added the mobile e-wallet information while sending the money, you're going to check your e-wallet whether you have received the money or not. Once the balance has been updated, then you will know like that. Next thing is home delivery. Now that also depends on the sender. When they are going through the transaction completion, they have chosen the home delivery option. Then once the transaction has been done, you will receive your money, because that will be delivered to your doorstep like that. And that is basically it. Make sure to ask them to check the correct address, and that is it. Next thing is claiming money. You may need to claim the money within a fixed time scale, or it will return to the sender. So if they have sent you with the timing itself of the money, so make sure to go ahead and provide the information and receive the money beforehand. If you do not receive it, then the money will be refunded back to sender as well. That is it. Those are the method you can receive the money from Xoom PayPal itself. So hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.